Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to build the perfect paper airplane. Is what I would have said if I ran out of video ideas. But many creators really struggle to find video ideas, and today I'm going to show you a system to never run out of them. Coming up with content ideas from the scratch is near impossible, and if you just wait for inspiration to come, it will probably take a while. Hence why we find in the olden days, people just stole ideas. Art is theft. That's a quote by Pablo Picasso, one of the greatest artists to ever live. So if stealing ideas worked for Picasso, it probably would work for you as well. So let me show you the formula. You find stuff, just stuff. You filter until you find stuff that's worth stealing, then you create your own masterpiece inspired from the theft-worthy stuff that you found. So the first question I think you're gonna ask is, what is stuff? Well, stuff is literally anything. YouTube, Netflix, music, news, blogs, social media can be used to generate ideas. But the trick isn't to just consume all the different media, but to consume with purpose. So if you're just watching a regular YouTube video, you probably won't get anything out of it. But studying a YouTube video by looking at the choice of title, the thumbnail, what they do in their intro, is just basically asking the question, why do people like this and what problem does it fix? Because inherently, every single idea is a solution to an existing problem. So if you can really understand your audience's problems, you're a lot more likely to find solutions that resonate with them and hence get good ideas. But just consuming a load of stuff doesn't really hack it. You need to only keep things that solve issues for your audience. The metric to whether an idea is good or bad is the audience, because no idea is inherently good or bad. Well, maybe not everything. But let's say you watch this really intense, deep documentary style movie that's like 3 hours long, takes its time with its editing, takes its time with the storyline, and you love the editing style and love everything that documentary was, and decide to make a similar one, but for your gaming audience. You probably won't retain the audience for very long because that's not what they're really looking for and it's not really solving any problem. So being able to filter out all the stuff that you don't think is relevant for your audience is going to help you understand not just what makes a good piece of content, but what makes a good piece of content for your audience. And this is where the most important part of the formula comes. Once you've found all of the steal-worthy content, it's now time to come up with your own ideas. Just like a mosaic of stuff, your cool idea is gonna be born. Every single piece of content is gonna be inspired and molded by the things that you've seen, but you can't forget the most important rule. What's the best way to solve that problem, and what's the best way to present your solution? Because with this method, you're gonna come up with loads of ideas, but the issue is, which ideas are relevant and useful for your audience? And how do you present them in a unique way? Or you could just make videos about paper airplanes. Or maybe not. Also, if you're looking for some thumbnail ideas, maybe this video is somewhere to start. I'll see you guys in the next one.